Whispers of the Broken Vessel, a desert secret to true success. In the heart of the vast desert lies a forgotten secret, one that can transform how we chase success. This is the story of a broken jug and the lesson hidden within. Tariq was a young merchant, known for his sharp mind and growing wealth. His caravans were full, his profits rising every day, yet something was missing. No matter how much he earned, Tariq was restless, unsatisfied. One evening, while crossing the desert, Tariq came upon an old hermit sitting quietly by a fire. This man had nothing, just a tent and the stars above. And yet, he seemed so at peace. Frustrated, Tariq approached him and asked, "How can you be so content with nothing? I have everything, yet I am never at peace." The old man looked at him for a moment, then handed Tariq a large, cracked jug. "Take this," he said. "Fill it with water from the well and bring it back when it's full." Tariq, confused but eager, rushed to the well and filled the jug. But as he hurried back, the water leaked out through the cracks. He tried again, faster this time, but no matter how hard he worked, the jug was always empty by the time he returned. Angry and frustrated, Tariq yelled, "This jug is broken! It's useless!" The old man stood calm and wise. "That jug," he said, "is you." Tariq froze. No matter how much you pour into it, wealth, possessions, success, it will never be enough because it's broken. You are cracked by distractions, by greed, by comparison. You chase endlessly, but you let your focus leak away. Tariq thought of the endless hours he wasted, scrolling, comparing, always wanting more. He was chasing, but not holding on to anything that mattered. The old man continued, "Fix your cracks, Tariq. Focus on what truly matters: discipline, purpose, and gratitude. When you fix yourself from within, you'll find even a little is enough." With those words, Tariq realized success isn't about chasing more, it's about chasing right. He left the hermit's camp, more focused than ever, ready to fix the cracks within. Sometimes, it's not about how much you earn, it's about holding on to what matters. Fix the cracks, and watch how your life transforms. If this story resonated with you, it's time to make a change.